Hi everyone, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Jamie. Welcome back to our channel.
If you didn't know already, this channel is all about how to make amazing things out of everyday waste materials.
And today's video is inspired by Ruby and Raylee's most recent notebook makeover.
So today we're going to be making notebooks from cereal boxes. So in this week's video, Ruby and Raylee, our daughters, painted some craft notebooks that they got from Amazon. If you haven't seen already, please go check it out. So we thought some of you don't have notebooks at home, so we'd do a video which showed you how to make notebooks from scratch from recyclable materials.
Tracy actually made a scrapbook out of cereal boxes during one of our Great British Make-Off challenges. If you haven't already seen that, go check it out.
So we wanted to try and take it a step further and show you how to actually bind the paper inside, so hopefully you'll find this really useful.
Yep, this is a top-down make, so showing from beginning to end how to make notebooks from cereal boxes. Without further ado, let's remake it. the end of our video. Thanks so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Hope we gave you some ideas of how you can make your own notebooks just from materials you have lying around the house, and also you can paint them like Ruby and Raylee did, or you could just leave them with a cereal box, which I think looks cool.
Yeah. If you do make a notebook from a cereal box, please let us know by posting and tagging on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is
let's.remake.it.
And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our next video.
And please comment down below what you think of the video and any other ideas you might have for what you can make from cereal boxes or other makes.
As you've seen in the video, there's loads of different designs that you can make from cereal boxes. Our make just shows the basic notebook from a cereal box, but also we include some examples of notebooks that we made where we decorated it with old wrapping paper or newspapers or books. The possibilities are endless, so have a go, see what happens.
And thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to our channel already. We have now over 8,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing, so thank you. It really means a lot to us. And please comment below because we do have comments, so we love reading through them.
And also don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel.
That's all for today.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you really soon.
Until then,
bye!
okay, so that's all.
Hey, whoa, wait! What was that about?
Okay, so that's.
Oh no.
Okay.